Hi there. This is a recommendation system that I have built using ReactJS. I thought of adding extra functionality to this recommendation system. So I used ChatGPT's API to get responses as same as ChatGPT provide. I have used its API provided by openai. Here I can copy the API key, and when I paste it here, I can view the responses. Like will provide a viewer sentiment analysis. Here only providing positive. You can positive analysis. You can even provide summary of the movie or glimpses of the movie. It is similar to responses provided by ChatGPT. Here I am using API. What is the advantage is we can use it in your website. Even you can fine tune the model, and you can use it in your website. It is too much easy with just I have built this even just by using ReactJS. Let's see how we can implement it. Project. It is too much simple. The project link is given in the description. Before starting, we must install openai's library. After installing, let's create a component. I have named the component as openai. Let's create a component. And I'll create a simple div container, and I will export it. Yeah, and this has been already installed in my PC. Now we have to configure. We have to import some dependent libraries to use it. I will name it as configuration, and another one is some openai API from openai that we have just installed. After using it, we have to configure it before using it. For that, I will use a variable. It is we are creating a new object, and we have to provide name as API key, and we have to provide API key. I will directly provide the API key here. After that, after configuration, we have to import openai in this function. We can do that open like we have imported here, same name. We have to use it here, and after that we have to pass the argument as a configuration, what we have configured. Okay. After that, I will create a simple form here that I have already created. Okay. This is a simple form. This is here we are taking a value, we are taking prompt like any value that provided by a user, and when submitted, it will run this function. I will create a simple function, arrow function. Since we are using a form, we have to use prevent default. After that, now we have to use openai's API. For that we will simply use try and catch method, so that error can be handled easily. We will log the error here. Here we have to provide some header information to call the API. For that we need since we are using a API key, we must use async await or any even promise fetch method is also okay. Here I will store the response in a variable. For that now we will use API. This is a method provided by OpenAI. When we there are many options available. Here we only using create compilation. There are many methods that are available here. When we go to documentation, you can find text compilation, chat compilation. I am using chat compilation in here. There are many models like ChatGPT 3.0 Turbo and still more are there. You can find here. Like here you can check out here. Like here they have provided to how to use using Node.js and Python, but they are not provided proper information about ReactJS. But I will show you how to do it. By using here we have to provide information about the model. Here I am using DaVinci model, since it is referred by ChatGPT. Somewhere else in documentation, and we have to provide a prompt. Prompt we can accept by user, or also we can provide from our own. The total cost of the using API key depend on the tokens. Token depend on how many words we are using and how many words that it will return. So I will provide like for sentimental analysis. User can provide any movie name. Okay, so here we will provide the movie name, and this will be handled. It must be handled here. So I have to import it. Now the movie name will be provided here. This will be prompted to API, and the return will be provided as per the prompt you have given. After that, you can provide how many maximum. This is optional, but model and prompt are required. You can provide a maximum tokens that it must take. Like it may take more than many more tokens. To limit its token, we are providing the option here, and still we can provide a temperature, and many options are available. You can check it in here. See. You can check in documentation. Sorry, I have done it here. It must be inside a try catch block. After that, you can set a response in a state variable. You can, and after that you can print it here, like there is a response, it will print it will display it here. Response has to be after successfully getting the response. We can set the response. Yeah, this is it. Through this we can use openai's API key. This is a simple demonstration. Then you can implement any type of operation, like some give a summary of the movie, or any type of prompts you can use as same as you are using in ChatGPT. Here since I have used inside the project, I can't display the output, but similar what I have shown is similar to this. Will respond accordingly. Thank you.